A watchmaker built a vast automobile empire. He broke the 996 work schedule in human history, implementing the 8-hour workday with a 2-day weekend for the first time, becoming a demon in the eyes of capitalists and a savior in the eyes of workers. His assembly line model took cars off the pedestal of being exclusive to the wealthy, revolutionizing human production and consumption methods. This episode introduces you to Ford in the United States. Henry Ford, born in 1863, was fascinated by machinery from a young age. At 23, he became the chief engineer at Edison Electric Company. He worked during the day and pursued a side project at night, hoping to develop a horseless carriage. In 1896, he finally hand-built a 2-cylinder, 4-horsepower car in his own garage with a top speed of 32 kilometers per hour. In the following years, although Henry Ford devoted himself to car manufacturing research, he struggled to find a market and accumulated nearly $100,000 in debt. Fortunately, he met a coal merchant, and in 1903, they collaborated to establish the Ford Motor Company, transitioning to affordable cars for the general public. In October of 1908, the groundbreaking Ford Model T officially rolled off the line. With its simplicity, durability, and ease of maintenance, it became very popular in both new and used car markets. In 1913, Ford drew inspiration from slaughterhouses and established the world's first automobile assembly line, reducing the assembly time from 12.5 hours to 93 minutes, increasing efficiency 8-fold. This innovation increased the production of the Model T from 180,000 units in 1913 to 15 million units in 1927, and the price dropped from $850 to $290, allowing ordinary working-class people to afford a car with a year's salary. Unable to bear treating employees like machines and to match production efficiency, Ford broke the 996 work schedule, fully implementing an 8-hour, 2-day weekend system, and doubled workers' daily wages from $2.3 to $5, without restricting hiring to those under 35 years old. Although this bold move caused dissatisfaction among capitalists, it greatly increased employee motivation and production efficiency. In an era when workers were treated like machines, the 8-hour workday at least gave dignity to the cogs in the machine and became a model for modern labor systems. The assembly line model was adopted in industrial production across various sectors. The success and wealth accumulation from the Model T allowed the Ford Motor Company to thrive for a considerable period. In 1922, acquired the Lincoln brand. In 1932, developed the industry's first integrated V8 engine. In 1948, produced the first F-Series pickup truck, consecutively holding the title of America's best-selling vehicle for 46 years. The pickup series is regarded as America's national car. In 1964, the Mustang Coupe was launched, a classic representative of American muscle cars, with total sales exceeding 10 million units. Afterwards, there were classic series like Taurus, Focus, and Mondeo. By the 1990s, Ford's development reached its peak, once owning brands like Lincoln, Jaguar, Land Rover, Mazda, Aston Martin, and Volvo. Later, it was surpassed by Japanese and Korean cars. From the T-model assembly line rewriting industrial history to the pickup series shaping American culture, through over 120 years of development and heritage, Ford Motor Company used technology and economies of scale to remove the label of cars as toys for the rich, bringing them into ordinary households.